afternoon, everyone. I represent the only gold company at the conference here today. I know that some of you have asked me, why gold? What does gold have to do with technology? Is there a place for gold in the future where people want instant gratification, 24/7 accessibility, global mobility, as well as security and convenience? And what does gold mean for the millennials, my generation, the Generation Z, and the many more generations to come? I'm going to address all of that in my presentation today. My name is Renee Wei, and from the Goldmoney company, it is listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange under ticker symbol XAU, XAUMF on the US OTC market. So first of all, why gold? For those of you who have not been paying attention, gold prices have seen a bullish break in the last 5 months. Prices surged by 18% to the record high levels in multiple currencies, including in the Canadian dollar terms. Back in mid-August, gold briefly reached 2020 Canadian dollars. So 18% may be nothing in the worlds of tech startups and marijuana stocks, but it's a big deal for gold because gold is not exactly an emerging industry. It's in fact the world's oldest asset class. For thousands of years, gold has never failed in doing one thing, that is preserving our purchasing power. I always enjoy giving this example whenever I'm in Vancouver, where people love to hate the topic of housing prices. As you can see in this chart, which is produced by Goldmoney's in-house research team, Goldmoney Research, the line going straight across the roof is, of course, housing prices in Vancouver measured in Canadian dollar terms. However, if you see the flat line there, that is home prices measured in gold weight. So gold does exactly that. It is the ultimate financial asset. It's the ultimate asset that protects your wealth and purchasing power. For thousands of years, gold is the place to go to when people need safe haven. It is decentralized from our banking system. It stands the test of time, and it represents the ultimate financial security. So here at Goldmoney, we're a mission-driven company. We're trying to harness the power that the financial security that gold represents and combine that with the power of the internet and the technology. By doing that, we are trying to create the world's safest financial service to give our clients worldwide more direct control over their purchasing power than they ever had before by owning physical precious metals. So Goldmoney Holding is the product that we're offering. We offer 4 precious metals: gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. And everything is 100% backed. Physical bullion sitting in a vault in one of our vault locations around the world. We also offer 9 national currencies. Our clients have the freedom to interchange between any metal to any currency as they wish. So Goldmoney Holding allows clients to instantly buy any amount of precious metals that is 100% physically backed by physical metal somewhere in the world. So a few things to note: Goldmoney is the world's largest precious metals savings and payment network. We have 1.5 million clients around the world in 150 countries. Right now, we have $2.2 billion of precious metals under custody. That translates into 34 tons of gold. It's a bigger stash of gold than a lot of sovereign countries' gold reserves. So we are very mindful we spend a lot of time to make sure that we add utility and functionality to our platform as well. That is an example of a recent feature that we launched. Active Trader is an institutional grade trading platform that allows our clients to place limit orders as well as to chart their own customized charts and apply technical indicators. It has been a very popular feature in the last few months where our clients see there's a lot of demand to actively trade the gold prices as the price has been going up. And another 2 examples is Goldmoney Physical. We understand that to some of our clients, it is very important to be able to hold that physical metal in your hand. That's why we own Peter Schiff's Schiff Gold, which is a gold brokerage. And we can deliver gold coins or bars or silver coins or bars to your doorstep if that's what you want to have. And Goldmoney Checkout is the ability to transact in gold. So MENE.com is another product which I will talk in more details later. But with Goldmoney checkout, you can basically use the gold weight in your Goldmoney holding to buy 24 karat jewelry on MENE.com. So that is an overview of Goldmoney holding. For those who are interested in getting some exposure to precious metals, we actually have a very good bonus promotion going on right now. Anyone who wants to make their first gold purchase, we top it up by 10%. So if you want to stop by the booth, and I'll be happy to provide that link to you. As I mentioned before, we're trying to build a global operating system for gold, but we are not able to do that without addressing a very important component of the gold market, which is the jewelry market. So the jewelry market is not only one of the oldest industries in the world, it's also an industry that has not seen any meaningful disruption since the age of the internet. That's why after a few years of research and development, Goldmoney invented a brand new business model that completely changes the way jewelry is made, priced, and sold, or even thought of. And that is MENE.com, which Goldmoney currently owns 33%. So I can tell you a little bit more about MENE. It's a new company. It's listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange Venture. But MENE is a direct-to-consumer e-commerce brand that designs, manufactures, and sells 24-karat gold and platinum jewelry direct-to-consumer worldwide. So MENE is also a mission-driven company. Its mission is to restore the link between jewelry and savings. So MENE has 3 unique business pillars that really just distinguish MENE from the rest of the brands. Number 1, MENE is the only jewelry brand that only makes 24-karat gold and platinum jewelry without any gems, diamonds, or cheap alloys that will obfuscate the true weighted value of the jewelry piece. Number 2, MENE is the only jewelry company that prices its jewelry by gram weight, while also transparently disclosing the profit margins. So our consumers can easily tell what portion of the purchase price is preserved in the form of precious metals and what portion of the purchase price is a fee earned by MENE. Number 3 is MENE keeps its profit margin at roughly 20%. So that is basically flipping the value proposition offered by the majority of the jewelry brands, where 90% of the price tag goes to marketing or the fee earned by the company. So MENE is offering this value proposition that is really unparalleled in the jewelry space. So I'm wearing this ring, for example. If you go to MENE.com, you can see how we incorporate the technology to price the ring in real time. The price changes by the second because it's linked to the spot gold price. And you can see clearly the MENE fee that we charge, and we add up everything to the total price of the jewelry. So it's a new company. As I mentioned, it was launched in January last year. And in November, 10 months later, MENE was listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange Venture. And so far, we have already sold 27,000 pieces of jewelry, and we have made 17 million in revenue, and 30,000 customers have signed up to become a MENE customer. We're very proud of the passionate community that we have and the support that we received from the customer. A lot of them are unaware of how non-transparent the jewelry is and has been for decades. We're changing this, we're introducing their paradigm shift to the jewelry space, and our parents have been our huge supporters. And another component of the Goldmoney universe is, of course, another way to make use of gold, which is the collateral, is the ultimate collateral. So we have lend and borrow business. It's called Lend and Borrow Trust. It's regulated by the FCA, but it's a way for you to borrow money without liquidating your gold position. So that is another company that is wholly owned by Goldmoney. And Shift Gold, as I mentioned, is the company behind Goldmoney Physical. It empowers our customers to take delivery of gold coins and bars with its white glove brokerage service as well. So I don't have time to go through the financial highlights, but both Goldmoney and MENE are a publicly listed company. Goldmoney is on the TSX. As you can see, we have $130 million in tangible capital and no debt. So the company has a lot of liquid dry powder in terms of making accretive acquisitions or investing in different opportunities. MENE as well has been growing, accelerating growth every quarter, has been growing steadily. And Goldmoney is very heavily, tightly held company. 40% of the company is held by insiders, and another 40% is held by institutional investors. And if any of you have any questions about Goldmoney promotion or want to stop by the booth to take a look at my MENE jewelry, you're welcome. I'm at booth 311. My name is Renee Wei from Goldmoney and MENE. Thank you very much for your time.